Shalini, welcome back to my channel Little Pixie Dust. So in today's video we'll talk about Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipsticks. So this liquid lipstick launched like few months back, and a big shout out to Nykaa because they are launching their products like this. They have foundation, compact powder, liners, kajal, blush, highlighters and so and so. So yeah, I love Nykaa products, and if you guys are interested to see the reviews of this liquid lipstick and the swatches, then please keep on watching. And if you guys are new to my channel, then thank you so much for tuning in, and please subscribe to my channel, it will mean a lot to me. So this is the first time that Nykaa launched their liquid lipstick, because previously they have bullet lipstick, pencil lipstick, but not liquid lipstick. So yeah, this is the first time that they have launched their liquid lipstick. So Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick has total 10 shades in their entire collection, and I have purchased these 2 shades from the entire collection. And the name of all the liquid lipsticks are super cool and cute, and each of the shades are named after different cities of India, like inspired from the different cities of India. And the names are pretty cool as well. So for example, if the lipstick is inspired from Bangalore, then the shade name is IT Girl, and the lipstick is inspired from Bombay, then the shade name is Bombay, BAE. How cool is that, right? And the packaging is super cool because they have printed the important landmarks of the cities on the outer packaging of the lipstick, and each of the packages are color coordinated so that you can understand that which color shade is inside in the package. Then you have pushed through to get your liquid lipstick, and this is how the packaging looks like. It is encased in a color coordinated cardboard box, and it's a shiny black bottle which is partly transparent so that you can see which color is inside. So it's a regular wand which has a hole in the center so that it can hold a lot of product, and it has a little pointy top so that it will reach all the corners of your lips. So the total quantity of this product that you will get in this bottle is 4.5 ml, and the price of this liquid lipstick is 550 rupees. So now let's talk about the quality of this liquid lipstick. So it says here in the packaging, presenting you the Ultime Power Pout Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick, a formula that is so life-proof that it is not going anywhere until you decide to take it off. This liquid lipstick gives you an intense shot of matte pigment in one easy glide. Ultra lightweight and non-drying texture enriched with vitamin E gives a boost of antioxidant to keep your lips supple and soft. We promise this matte liquid lipstick is everything that you ever wished for. It has vitamin E and antioxidant, and it is super matte all day wear formula, and it is kiss proof, feather proof and transfer proof. And the best part is it doesn't have any preservative, it is cruelty free and paraben free. So yesterday I was wearing this shade, and this is IT Girl, and guys, the color payoff is awesome. Like in a single swipe you will get the proper color. Like जो color आपको इस bottle में दिख रहा है वही color आपके lips पे आएगा. So like in a single swipe you will get a perfect color. You don't have to swipe again and again to get the proper color. These liquid lipsticks are so lightweight and so light in consistency that after applying this, it will hardly take like 2 to 3 minutes to settle down into completely matte. But after settle down into matte, it doesn't feel like uncomfortable, dehydrated or any kind of dry lips. So yeah, it doesn't feel any dryness on the lips. It's absolutely lightweight, so I completely forgot that I was wearing any kind of lipstick on my lips, which was like the best part of this entire lipstick. And I don't have to go back to reapply this liquid lipstick again, because it stays a very long time on my lips. This liquid lipstick lasted me about for like 6 to 7 hours. I was wearing this lipstick in the evening, and when I came back home it was still there. So I didn't see any kind of like major cracks or something. It's like a little bit from the inner part it was like fade out, but except that everything was all good. I don't have to reapply that liquid lipstick. It gave me a good color payoff in a single stroke. So these liquid lipsticks are transfer proof and smudge proof for sure. So 550 rupees for this liquid lipstick is totally justified for me. I bought 2 shades from the entire collection of this liquid lipsticks, and now I will show you the swatches of these 2 liquid lipsticks. So yeah, let's get started with the swatches. I hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to press the bell icon so that you will get all the notification whenever I post any new videos. And you can also follow me on my Instagram handle. I will mention all the links in the description box below, so do check out. So guys, I will meet you all on my next video. Till then, bye bye.